If you've ever imported a blurry clip into CapCut and wished you could make it look clearer fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a blurry video clear in CapCut using just a couple of simple adjustments. This is perfect if your footage looks soft, slightly out of focus, or just needs a little more definition before you post it to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere else. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next quick CapCut guide. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and import the video clip you want to fix. Once your clip is inside the project, drag it down onto the editing timeline. This is important because you need the clip placed on the timeline before you can start adjusting its visual settings. Now click on the clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted in white. That tells you the clip is selected, and any changes you make next will apply to that specific video. With the clip selected, look over to the right-hand side panel. Here, you'll want to click on the Video tab. After that, select the Adjustment sub-tab. This is where CapCut keeps the controls that let you fine-tune the look of your footage. Once you're in the Adjustment section, scroll down until you reach the Basic Adjustment Parameters. This is where the tools for improving a blurry clip are located. The first setting you want to change is Sharpen. Drag the Sharpen slider up to somewhere between 30 and 50. This helps bring out more detail and makes the video appear clearer. Just be careful not to push it too high because too much Sharpen can create harsh digital grain and make the footage look unnatural. After that, increase clarity. Try moving the clarity slider up slightly, usually around 10 to 20. Clarity helps define the edges of objects in your video, which can make the footage look more crisp without adding too much distortion. This is usually the safest setting to use if you want a cleaner, more polished result. As you adjust these sliders, watch your preview closely. The goal is not to overdo it. A little sharpening and clarity can make a huge difference, but if you push them too far, the video may start to look noisy or overly processed. It's always better to make small changes and compare the result as you go. If your clip still looks a little soft after that, you can go back and fine-tune the sliders a bit more. Every video is different, so the best settings may depend on how blurry the original footage is, how much lighting it had, and whether the camera was slightly out of focus or simply low quality. Once you're happy with the look, review the clip one more time in the preview window. If it looks clearer and more detailed, then you're all set. From there, you can continue editing, add text, music, or effects, and then export your final video. And that's how to make a blurry video clear in CapCut using the adjustment settings. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in the final quality of your edit. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.